Hello. This video demonstrates Project Zero, Search, of the course, CS50's Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. This is the page for Google search. As we can see, there is a search bar with search button and I'm feeling lucky button, along with links to other pages, like image search and advanced search, in the upper right corner of the page. On this Google search page, we can type in a query, click Google search, and we will be taken to the Google search results for that page. On the other hand, if we type in a query, click I'm feeling lucky, then we will be redirected to the first Google search result for the query, bypassing the normal results page. This is the page for Google image search. On this image search page, we can type in a query, click search button, and we will be taken to the Google image search results for that page. This is the page for Google Advanced Search. On this Advanced Search page, we can provide input for the following fields, taken from Google's own Advanced Search options. On clicking Advanced Search button, the user is taken to search results page for their given query. The CSS is written to match Google's own aesthetics and make the pages fully responsive, as best as possible.